Senior advocate Harish Salve is going to appear for Vinesh Phogat's case. Salve is going to represent Vinesh Phogat at the Court of Arbitration of the Sports. We'll bring you more details with regards to the kind of things that are going to be on the table as far as discussions are concerned. But at this point of time, what we are learning is that wrestlers had raked up the issue of WFI chief taking decisions on Vinesh Phogat's case yet another time in the High Court. And what we are picking up from our legal sources is that senior advocate Harish Salve is going to appear on behalf of Vinesh Phogat in this particular case. We have CNN News 18's legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar joining us on the broadcast as well. Ananya, over to you. Please walk us through the legal perspective of this case. What exactly can be expected from the High Court and what exactly is wrestlers' demand? All right, Ananya, please walk us through the legal perspective of this particular case. What kind of developments can be expected today and what exactly are the wrestlers demanding? I think we lost connection with Ananya over there, but this is something very serious emerging straight from our sources with regards to who exactly is going, to represent the case of Vinesh Phogat in High Court as the wrestlers continue to rake up their issue of the case being controlled by WFI chief at this point in time when India almost lost the gold medal and Vinesh Phogat also announcing her retirement. We have Ananya back with us on the broadcast. Ananya, I was asking, please walk us through the legal perspective of this particular case. What are the demands that has been put up by the wrestlers in the High Court?
Well, this was a petition that was filed soon after. In fact, the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports had actually suspended the executive committee, or the executive council of, in fact, the Wrestling Federation of India after those elections. The questions were raised on that election that were held, and Sanjay Singh was elected as, in fact, the president of the WFI. Now, what has happened is that since there is no since the WFI is suspended and the Olympic Games were there, Mr. Sanjay Singh is somebody who is there, who is somebody who is managing there, and that's exactly what was pointed out by senior advocate Rahul Mehra to the court that this suspended WFI committee is somebody who is actually deciding the fate of the fate of Vinesh Phogat in this particular case. In fact, opposing his submissions, the counsel for the central government, Mr. Anil Soni, pointed out that she is in fact the daughter of the nation, and what is happening is happening to the nation collectively, and everybody is sad with regards to what is happening to Vinesh Phogat. And at this particular point of time, the court has posted the matter for further hearing on September 12th, but we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out. But more importantly, Sakshi, what is happening today is the hearing that would be taking place at the Court of Arbitration of Sports, where senior advocate Salve would be representing, in fact, Vinesh Phogat in this particular case. Remember, Mr. Salve is one of the best legal minds of the country, and in fact, is the choice of the government mostly when it comes to international courts, whether it's the Kulbhushan case at the International Court of Justice, or now it's about Vinesh Phogat at, in fact, the Court of Arbitration of Sports. Harish Salve is somebody who is, in fact, a master of law and is somebody, that the government trusts, and hence he is here and to defend Vinesh Phogat in this particular case.
Indeed, Ananya. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments of that case as and when the hearing finally begins and we collect some more information about